Hello and welcome back guys to one more PlayStation 5 related video. Sony thought that gamers only need 600 gigs of space. They have games like Call of Duty which are 200 gigs, but hey, who needs space? Give them 600 GBs. This is Crucial's P5 Plus 1TB SSD Gen 4. It should have 6600 MB per second. They said that on their store page. And I think this is the cheapest one you can buy. The reason I bought the cheapest one because I have to buy games on this, and games on PlayStation are so damn expensive. So I didn't buy a very high end. By the way, I bought this for 11,500 rupees. Don't go for super high class 1TB SSDs because Sony themselves said that some games might not run even if you meet the requirements. So maybe Sony should have certified certain drives, but this is a very bad box. We get a booklet. This is our SSD, 1000 gigs, P5 Plus, and there is the screw we are gonna need. So first we are gonna take this screw out. Bad quality. See? A damn mosquito came out. Do you guys see this? There's a mosquito. I think yep. The drive side, guys. You have to push from above and down this direction, and then you can pop this out. And this looks really bad. Very small. Should work. Nails very important right now. So this is the drive gauge. So these are just markings, guys. 30, 42, 60, 80, and a big 110 mm drive. I think I have an 80 mm drive. So there's one more screw here, guys. Instead of the screw we are provided in the box, thankfully it's magnetic. This little thing needs to go inside this 80 mm mark, just like that. Now we can open up our drive. And screw it back in place. Yep. It's packed, and now we can attach. Power is on. Turning it on. Alright, so this is what it says when you put a new storage in, and select format M.2 SSD. It's formatting super fast, by the way, showing in real time, and we got a speed of 5666, quite low from what they say. And now we press OK. Your M.2 has been formatted. Change where your games are installed. Go to settings, storage, install location to safely remove your SSD. Turn off your PS5 first. Okay. So we are just gonna go in our settings now. Go to storage, console storage, M.2. I'm getting full 1 terabyte of storage. It has nothing installed in it, so that is really good. we have 1000 gigs now available to install our games. I was gonna install Last of Us 2. I couldn't because I was out of storage space. So now when I press this, I can just change install location and I can press OK. And now downloading has started. This was your Crucial P5 Plus on a PlayStation 5. I definitely say upgrade your storage space to 1 terabyte at least. That's it for this video, guys. Thank you for watching. We'll see you guys next time.